Following are the critical points to be checked in bicycle at regular intervals for user safety, bicycle life and performance. Check for rotation or loose handlebar. If found loose, fix the handlebar position at your riding comfort and tighten the stem bolts evenly to fix it. Check for handle stem oscillation or loose. If found loose, fix the stem in live with the front wheel and tighten the Allen bolt at the top of the stem to fix it. Check for handle shake effect. If found so, please check for headset screw racer and lock nut tightness. If found loose, tighten to fix it and correct the handle shaking effect. Check for chain wheel crank shake. If found, open the dust cap, tighten the bolts to arrest the shake. Check the saddle for seesaw movement. If found so, tighten thigh nuts below the saddle and the saddle clamp from both sides evenly to fix it. Check for loose or shaky wheels. If found so, please tighten the axle nuts to fix it at center. Tire pressure checking. To have a fluent ride in bicycle, it's important to maintain air pressure in both front and rear tire. The recommended air pressure information is mentioned on either sides of the tire side wall. Lubrication of chain. Clean and lubrication will help to extend the lifespan of chain. Apply lubricant directly to your chain and keep rotating the pedal backwards to apply lubricants to all of your chain links. Remove excess lubricants with the clean cloth. All the rectifications shown in the video by experienced technicians or professionals using adequate tools.